We are off to B&M to see what is new for spring 2022. So I absolutely love B&M Homes for home products. I think they're really affordable and they are decent quality. So I absolutely love changing up the pillows and cushions going into spring. I think it can really help change the seasons from like really fluffy blankets and fluffy cushions to something a bit more cooler. So I'm really drawn to beige at the moment, but I'm really trying to kind of like add a little bit of colour, a little bit of personality into my home. So I'm really trying to go with the sagey greens, but I wasn't fussed on many of these cushions themselves. But again, £14 for cushions is not bad at all. Oh, I really like this one. Oops, that fell on the floor. For £12 as well, so two of them, either end of your sofa, £24, not too bad. Love the tassels and the texture around the centre of the cushion as well. But yeah, absolutely love this section. So B&M have got a great variety of table lamps and lampshades. Sometimes it's really difficult to find a really good lampshade for your home without having to buy a pendant. So I think some of these really do fit the bill with that. I absolutely love these. That goes with a lot of things that are currently in my home, so I might be coming back and grabbing one of them. But yeah, I think these table lamps are so convenient, and for £12, not bad. You know, so you could decorate 2 bedside tables, £24. This one is a little bit more pricey, but it is stunning. I really, really love this. That would look great in the living room. Also really keen on the rattan ones next to them. Yeah, they've got quite a few different lamps, and I think good selection, especially heading into spring. Oh, I really like this black one. I think I've got a lot of natural woods in my home, so sometimes having something black will contrast against the white ceiling. Love it. I absolutely love the cleaning products that they've got in B&M. They're all bamboo, really stylish, kind of the type of cleaning products that you can kind of leave out and they'll still look pretty cute in your kitchen. Especially this mop, bamboo stick with black mop, so even when it's all dirty, you can't see it because it's black. Love all these cleaning products. And again, they're at affordable prices. I've got some of these myself. I've got this one for the fireplace. I've also got a dustpan and brush, which I think is over here. Yeah, here it is. I've got this dustpan and brush. I've actually broken it, so it is a bit flimsy. So just make sure you're only gonna use it for little dust and not renovation dust. Ooh, absolutely drawn to these baskets. I noticed these in IKEA as well, and they said they were new in IKEA, but I know they've been, you know, in B&M for a while now. I think they're perfect for laundry, putting your pegs in, or even just your detergent tablets. I love looking at the laundry baskets that are available. Really like this one. Gives that natural rattan vibes, but this one's broken, which makes me question its durability. I'm not really sure, but it looks cute, the one that's not broken. And I can't go to B&M without looking at the doggy beds. Absolutely love that one. Recently bought some curtains for my own home. I didn't even think about trying B&M, but I bought mine on eBay and they're pretty good. But I did really like these. They're just quite different. You know, they add a bit of interest into the curtain or sheer curtain. I like these ones here, and for £12, again, so affordable. Absolutely love them. Right, now this is kind of like my favourite section, is like furniture. I absolutely love this little shelf. How cute is that? Just adds interest to a shelf that is once boring. £30 for bedside tables. I've got similar ones to that in black, and I paid £50 each. They're not the best quality, but they'll do. And they've got some matching stuff here. I really try and think, even though that I do like this style, I don't want to match it too much to my bedside tables because I don't want that matchy feel. But if you haven't got any of these pieces in your home already, I think they are spot on. £15 for this little rattan table. I will be coming back for at least 2 of them for the living room, but I just need a new sofa first. yeah, kind of see the full collection here. This is a B&M in Cardiff that is massive, so I do hope that these things are available wherever you are. Again, such an affordable side table. I think it was £10 that one. If you need bar stools, I thought these were great, 18 quid each, and the ones next to them only 12. A few more side tables, 20 quid for that one. And the home decor, my favourite. I absolutely love this. How cute. It's just so simple. That's a good thing about dried flowers, you don't need water. I've already got 2 of these little bamboo candle holders. I spotted that shelf in just a natural colour, which I think against a black wall or a darker wall will look absolutely amazing. Just love all this sort of, you know, rattan-y, boho. Love this rug so much. I think this would be so cute for like a console table to stick your keys in, or a few mints for guests. I spotted these cube boxes. If you've got the Karlax system from IKEA in your home, these are great. The IKEA ones can be quite expensive for the ones that aren't just plain. So if you want like a rattan one, they can be like 15 quid, and like these were 7 and 4. So I thought they were a really affordable way to fill up your Karlax system without having to spend lots of money on the IKEA ones. But yeah, you can really see sort of spring coming through here. A lot of things thought about for outdoor space, I think. Like you can imagine decorating your outdoor space with this mirror in the summer and some of these artificial plants. So maybe when you've got friends coming over, barbecue, you want to decorate the place a little bit. But yeah, I really, really like everything that's coming through. I think maybe I was just a little bit early. I spotted these mirrors, so this is the mirror at the back one I've got in my bathroom, so I thought I'd just show that. It's only a tenner. And these are all the houseplants coming through. I'm a sucker for a houseplant, but I love to kill them for some reason. They never stay alive, so more looking at the faux. But yeah, if you've got B&M, I would definitely go and check everything out. Yeah, a lot of wedding-y stuff coming through as well, so if you've got any weddings planned or got a wedding coming up, then have a look, because there's lots of wedding-y stuff. Thought I'd just jump back into the kitchen here. Really like these placemats, because I'm thinking again for that outdoor space, if you've got friends coming around, you want placemats for your outdoor table, add a bit of style to the outdoors as well. These look so cute and easy to store in the winter as well. Just roll them up and stick them in a cupboard. I love this water jug. Again, I can just picture being outdoors, that full of, you know, lemon water with ice, and easy to kind of like grip as well, so if you are outdoors you can just hold on to it. I thought I'd mention these. Everyone seems to go wild for these on Instagram because they're only £2 each and they look so cute. But yeah, quite a lot of nice kitchen stuff, and I absolutely love these. If I didn't have a full cupboard full of drinkware, I'd definitely grab these. There's something different. Really like this basket. Again, I can't get the thought of thinking of outdoor dining out of my head, ready for summer. Love these. £2.50. Really, really like this fruit bowl. So cute. I like the fact that once all the fruit's in there, you'll be able to see through it and all the different colours of the bananas and apples and oranges, maybe peaches, or whatever you like. I'm a sucker for pastel colours, so I absolutely love these, like pink and pale blue with speckled white. Again, loving these placemats, thinking of like the outdoor dining in summer and spring. Oh, I like these because they're white and the other ones are like more black. Love this. Don't even know what it is. Don't know what I'd put in it. I don't know, nuts? You could have a couple of nuts on the table. But yeah, they've got some really, really nice stuff. So this is the aisle where I think maybe I was a week too early. You can see like lots of garden stuff coming through, garden entertaining, the colours, the rattans and the garden. But yeah, I think I'll come back in a few weeks to get that fully done. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you like anything that you've seen in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.